Alright, what's going on, everyone? Here with another video. So most of my bikes I don't usually take the governor out just because I don't, but the last two pretty much did it. If you haven't seen this bike, you probably got to check it out on my Instagram. I'll have the link down below. I'm gonna post a video on that bad boy soon. I got two new bikes coming up. I removed the governor on one of them already. This one, I'm gonna save the video for you guys and show you guys exactly how easy it is. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate all the support, all the subscribers. Thanks a lot. Leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Appreciate it. Alright, so first thing I kind of like to do is just get rid of all this stuff on the top here. So we're going to be removing, this is pretty much the governor arm right here. So all of this, I'm going to be keeping this and this linkage right here. I'm just going to bend it up and put it here. That's just moved nice and smoothly right there. Add another spring, and then we gotta get inside, remove all the internal parts. I'm going to show you how easy that is as well. So I'm going to get right to it. So once I remove this piece right here, this just slides up. All this you're not gonna need. Now this right here, this little pin right here. Once I remove this pin, it's pretty much gonna fall right through. So pop this back where that got. Alright, so I have a little template of pretty much how this linkage is going to connect into here. This one right here is just a tad bit too long, so I'm going to make another one. So what I usually use is just bicycle spoke. So I'll just take this, bend it. This is the piece that's going to go right down in there. Might be a little too long, so I'll just snip it. Now, just kind of measure this piece right here. I need it a little bit shorter. So give it to it right there. Just bend it up forwards. Then, just so it doesn't unhook, I like to give it another little bend. Just cut that bad boy. There's our piece right there. So what I do is I just hook it in here, pop it in here. When everything's loose, that's the best time to do it. And then pop everything where it's supposed to go, like so. you look right in there, it's perfect. Comes back right where it needs to come back to. And you get full throttle. Perfect. Might put a little bit more tension on it, because once you put the throttle cable through, it's going to be a little bit more stiffer. So look at that, smooth return. Make sure you loosen this bolt right here. You loosen that, then you get that easy, perfect return. Smooth. No money spent. Push your cable right in and make it work normally. Alright, so we're not done. That's just the outside of it. We're gonna have to get inside and remove all the internal components, and yeah, stay tuned for that bad boy. Now that we got that top part all done, I'm gonna open up the inside. Now this is a brand new engine, so I'm not gonna need a new gasket. If you're opening your old engine, you might need to get a new gasket or make your own gasket or whatever you're doing. There's no oil in it as well. When engines are brand new, they come with a tiny bit of oil in it. So there's the oil that's in here I don't really gotta worry about. So first I just gotta crack these bolts right here. And these are torqued, so check your manuals and see exactly what your engine is torqued at. Hold these two pieces right here. Let's give it like a little wiggle. And off it comes. Gasket's still on there. Nice and fresh gasket. So I'll keep that there for now, so we don't ruin it. There is a little bit of oil. So what I am gonna do is this piece of board. Here we are inside the engine. I like to keep everything back because this can pop out. I'm not trying to do all of that right now. As well as gotta turn the engine. So you release the pin that's at the top here. This piece right here, then this would drop down. You gotta turn this shaft so that this pin finally got that piece out. So what I did was I actually pushed it back up in the block, cut it, and it slipped right out. I'm not going to be using that at all. So now the next task is to the plastic piece on here. We'll take this off with the washer. Make sure the washer does not get caught in there. Now, inside here, there's a little washer on the inside. The last time I did that, I had so much luck. I did it in one shot. I don't think I'm gonna get the same luck with this camera right here, but if you actually look, you'll see a spring, a little piece right here. So you just gotta work at it until you just get it out of shape, and then it'll just pop right off. So I'm gonna do that. I like to use these two tools right here. Whatever you gotta use. I used to just break these off before, but it leaves such a mess. I'm gonna show you guys a clean one. Here we go. Alright, so I got that clip pretty much loose right here. So if you kind of look right on here, you'll see, oh, this little clip. That's pretty much it right there. That is not fun to take out. Then just gonna turn the engine again. Just like so. Just wiggle that out. Just kind of take that out. And also remember there is a washer underneath. Make sure you get that washer out. There's the washer right there. That bad boy out. And then if you look, it's just a little dirty. So I like to just clean it out a little bit because you don't want any dirt in your engine. That's what I was trying to avoid. But anyways, while the engine's open, I tap this bad boy right here. So this right here is a 1/4 inch. I just pop that into top right here. Put that nice and snug. That's good to go. Now, we can take this gasket, put this gasket back on, and pop this piece back on. Then pop these bolts in here. engine is pretty much ready to go back together. Pop the gas tank back on top if that's what you're going to be using. I'm going to be using the gas tank, so I'll be popping that back on the top there.